Innovation for waste minimization.
This is a Becca model S300A manual automatic solvent paint spray gun cleaner. It is made in the USA. The features include a stainless steel wash basin with automatic hands-free cycle, a safety switch for the stainless steel wash basin cover, a switch for selecting flow brush or wash basin, a switch for selecting either used or clean solvent, a switch for turning the Power Clean compressed air quick disconnect on or off, a flow brush with stiff bristles and adjustable fluid flow control, a power pistol with adjustable fluid flow control, a Becca solvent-resistant Power Clean compressed air quick disconnect with adjustable airflow control, spray gun trigger clips used in the automatic cleaning process, an air regulator with water trap and shutoff valve, 2 optional 5-gallon solvent cleaning solution containers, one for used solvent and one for clean solvent, laminated posters with spray gun cleaning instructions in English and Spanish. An optional filtration recycling system is available to extend the life of the solvent for reuse up to 8 times its normal life. It utilizes only one solvent tank and filters the solvent when the control is in the clean solvent mode. The replaceable cartridge filters are easy to service. Also available is optional 10-gallon stainless steel tank with sight glass for use when the filtration recycling process is selected.
Innovation for waste minimization.